This is high subsonic fighter aircraft called MiG-17, and today we're at the mansion of Nikolai Yegorovich Zhukovsky. Nikolai Yegorovich Zhukovsky was officially called by the government as the father of Russian aviation. Zhukovsky didn't build aircraft by himself, but he was the founder of the science called aerodynamics, which is the science of precise technical calculations of the aircraft. And this is the mansion where he was born and lived his childhood. It's located near Moscow, around 100 miles away from it, in a village called Orekhovo. Nikolai Yegorovich Zhukovsky had a lot of genius students. One of them was Tupolev, which was the teacher of Korolev. Korolev is the person who was responsible for creating space aircraft in USSR, and Korolev was also the teacher and the mentor of Gagarin, the first man in space. So Zhukovsky was really the father of aerodynamics and plane industry of Russia, and in some way of Russian space program. This was ID1. Thank you for watching and see you next time, guys. Bye.